Hamilton Beach can openers commonly experience several diagnostic issues that can be identified through systematic troubleshooting. Understanding these problems helps determine the right solution. The most frequent issues include incomplete cuts where the blade doesn't fully penetrate the can, jamming during operation, complete failure to turn on, and problems with the locking mechanism that holds the can in place. This technical diagram shows the key components of a Hamilton Beach can opener. Understanding these parts helps identify where problems might occur during diagnosis. Now let's go through the systematic diagnostic process to identify these issues. First, always check the power connection. Ensure the cord is properly plugged into the outlet and inspect it for any visible damage or fraying that could prevent power flow. Next, inspect the internal components. Check wire connections inside the unit for looseness or corrosion, and look for any obstructions in the motor or gear assembly that could cause jamming. For cutting issues, examine the blade carefully. Clean any debris from the blade area, and check both the sharpness and proper alignment of the cutting mechanism. Here's what a typical Hamilton Beach can opener looks like in operation. Notice how the can should be positioned for proper cutting. A common complaint is when the lid doesn't lift off, even after several rotations. This usually indicates problems with blade position, can alignment, or the locking mechanism. Speaking of locking mechanisms, let's examine this component more closely as it's a frequent source of problems. Locking mechanism problems show symptoms like the can not staying in place, a loose or stuck lever, or inconsistent engagement. A quick diagnostic test involves loosening and retightening the mechanism screws and checking for damaged plastic parts. Finally, here are the essential cleaning guidelines for proper diagnosis and maintenance. Remember, never immerse the can opener in water as this can damage electrical components. Instead, use a damp cloth for exterior cleaning, a soft brush for the blade area, remove food debris from gears, and always dry thoroughly before storage. These diagnostic steps will help you identify the most common Hamilton Beach can opener problems before attempting any repairs. When your Hamilton Beach can opener motor is struggling or making unusual noises, the most common cause is gear binding due to lack of lubrication. The solution is to lubricate the gears with lithium grease. This specialized grease can resolve binding issues and significantly improve performance. Lid lift problems are another common issue. When the can opener cuts but doesn't properly lift the lid, the cutting mechanism may be misaligned, or there could be excessive space between the blade and the can grabber. A proven fix involves removing a washer to reduce the gap between the blade and the can grabber. This adjustment brings the cutting components closer together for better performance. Some Hamilton Beach models use plastic parts in the lever mechanism that can break under stress. If a plastic component fails, replacement may be necessary, but can be challenging depending on your specific model. For cordless models, always ensure the battery is fully charged before troubleshooting other issues. A weak battery can mimic motor problems and cause poor cutting performance. If these fixes don't resolve your issues, contact Hamilton Beach customer service for assistance or check if your unit is still under warranty. While DIY repair videos are available online, proceed with caution to avoid further damage.